Hey guys, this is Kamal with Quality Properties. I want to show you guys the project that we're working on right now. We're in a process of demo right now, and we have a dumpster. We're just throwing all the debris in the dumpster. I'm gonna walk you through inside and show you exactly what we go through every time we buy a house as is, to see what we go through. So for homeowners that want to sell their house and thinking, sometimes you come across people, they comment on the internet and they say, oh, they buy in for close to nothing. Nothing could be further from the truth, guys. We pay fair cash offer in as-is condition. And this is what we go through. It said this is just a first step of demolition of the house. Just walls taken out. A lot of unnecessary stuff that go into the garbage. A lot of trash, a lot of old appliances, a lot of repairs that need to be worked on. Roach infestation. We had fleas infestation here. So this is the property we're still working on. And I hurt my back in a process of rolling my sleeve. I didn't even roll him all the way up. And I hurt my back cutting some branches and trees. So I have help now, and they working with me to finish this project. It's a lot of work needs to be done. We pay a good price for the homeowner, and they're fully satisfied with the price that they got from us. It was cash offer, and we closed within 2 weeks. So this is what we go through. It's a lot of work. It's not just buying a house and boom, paint it and list it. No, it doesn't work that way. We put sometimes 50, 70, and up to $100,000 worth of renovation in just one house, just on the top of the price that we pay for. So this is just one of my projects. Hope guys to see you soon. I just want to go walk you through what the first step we're doing in this project. And if you want to sell your property, you know me. If you don't know now, my name is Kamal from Pensacola, and we buy houses in Escambia, Santa Rosa, and Okaloosa counties. Please reach out to me. My phone number is 850-346-4995. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.